Bollywood, a world filled with lights, cameras, glamour, and unforgettable stories. For decades, millions of people around the world have laughed, cried, and fallen in love with the characters created by incredible actors and actresses. But behind the bright lights of cinema, there is one truth that no one can escape: time. Over the years, Bollywood has lost hundreds of talented stars, actors who shaped generations of Indian cinema, and actresses whose performances became timeless memories. Some passed away after long illnesses, some left the world suddenly, and some departures shocked the entire nation. Today's video is not just about loss. It is about remembering the legends of Bollywood who are no longer with us but whose work will live forever on the silver screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are remembering many Bollywood actors and actresses who passed away in recent years. Their performances entertained us, inspired us, and shaped the history of Indian cinema. Throughout this video, we'll look at some well-known stars, their journey in Bollywood, and the circumstances surrounding their passing as reported publicly. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Bollywood stories, celebrity updates, and movie history content. Now, let's begin remembering the legends. Over the past few years, the film industry has mourned the loss of several iconic personalities. One of the most heartbreaking losses was the passing of Irrfan Khan. Known for his powerful acting and subtle expressions, he became one of the few Indian actors to achieve global recognition in Hollywood as well as Bollywood. After battling a rare illness for several years, his passing in 2020 left fans and filmmakers devastated. Just a day later, Bollywood suffered another major loss when Rishi Kapoor passed away after fighting leukemia. For more than 4 decades, he was one of the most beloved romantic heroes of Hindi cinema. In the same year, the sudden death of Sushant Singh Rajput shocked the entire country. His journey from television to blockbuster films inspired millions of young dreamers. Another legendary actress who left the world earlier was Sridevi. Known as one of the greatest actresses in Indian cinema history, her sudden death in 2018 stunned fans around the world. Bollywood also lost legendary actor Dilip Kumar in 2021. Often called the Tragedy King, his performances influenced generations of actors who came after him. Actors who left us in recent years. The industry also said goodbye to many respected supporting actors and character artists who played unforgettable roles in films. Among them was Satish Kaushik, a versatile actor and filmmaker known for both comedy and emotional performances. Another talented actor we lost was Vikram Gokhale, whose powerful acting in both Hindi and Marathi cinema earned him immense respect. Bollywood also mourned the passing of veteran actor Raza Khan, who was famous for his comedic roles in many popular films. Legendary actor Om Puri, known for his intense performances and international projects, also left behind an incredible legacy in cinema. The industry also lost actor Kader Khan, who was not only a brilliant comedian but also a legendary dialogue writer responsible for some of Bollywood's most iconic lines. Actresses who left a lasting legacy. Bollywood also lost many talented actresses who shaped different eras of the industry. One of them was Reema Lagoo,
who became famous for playing the caring mother in many beloved Bollywood films. Another respected actress was Surekha Sikri, whose performances in both television and cinema earned critical acclaim. The industry also said goodbye to veteran actress Nanda, who was once one of the most admired actresses of the 1960s. Actress Tabassum, famous for hosting one of India's earliest film television shows, also passed away, leaving behind decades of contribution to Indian entertainment. Many other Bollywood stars we lost. Apart from these well-known names, Bollywood has also lost many character actors, directors, comedians, singers, and supporting artists who contributed immensely to the industry. Every year, the film world says goodbye to artists who worked tirelessly to entertain audiences. Some passed away due to age-related health issues. Some battled serious illnesses.
And why these stories matter. Cinema is more than just entertainment. It is a reflection of society, culture, and emotions. The actors and actresses we remember today were not just performers. They were storytellers who helped shape the dreams and imagination of millions. Even after they are gone, their films continue to inspire new generations of filmmakers and audiences. Every time we watch their movies again, it feels as if they never truly left. Before we continue, tell us in the comments, which Bollywood actor or actress do you miss the most? Your answer might appear in our next tribute video. Bollywood has always been a world of changing faces. New stars rise, new stories are told, but the legends who built the foundation of Indian cinema will always remain unforgettable. Their voices, their dialogues, their performances will continue living forever on the silver screen. Because true artists never truly disappear. They live on through their work. If you enjoyed this tribute video remembering Bollywood stars, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Bollywood history, celebrity stories, and movie updates. And don't forget to comment below the name of the Bollywood star whose films you still love watching today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Even though many of these Bollywood legends are no longer with us, their films, their characters, and their memories will continue to live in our hearts forever. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about Bollywood stories, celebrity secrets, movie updates, and untold facts about the film industry, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Here, we bring you interesting Bollywood content, celebrity gossip, film history, and trending entertainment news every week. Also, don't forget to like the video because your support really helps the channel grow. And tell us in the comments, which Bollywood actor or actress do you miss the most? Your comments mean a lot, and we read every single one of them. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.